Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 5th, 2021. We're going to give you all a price prediction update in the market for REN. You guys can see that during our last Lookout live stream session, we went ahead and did a price prediction for all of our viewers to collaborate on where we expecting the market price to go in REN. You guys can see that this is where the price has been since that particular time. We're going to break that down, and then we're going to tell you all where we're expecting the price to go in the market in REN, whether it's going to go higher, whether it's going to lower, whether it's just going to simply trade sideways. We're going to be non-emotional in our aspects as to where price is going to go, just so that we can continually win in the market for these cryptocurrencies. So now, if y'all want to participate, if y'all want to become part of our team, part of our community, make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Also come back again and again, because the market is a continual motion in sense of where price is going to go. So you always want to make sure that you are updated as to where price movement is going to occur. So like I said, the last time we did our video in REN was on April the 24th, 2021. It was during our Lookout live stream session. And we told everyone on that particular video during that live stream that we were playing in weakness in the market, right? We were looking for REN to dip in price, and that is precisely what it did from the outset, okay? We've already identified that the market in REN could come in and hold support right there around 70 cents, and literally that occurred the next day. And the confirmation actually came through on April the 26th that the market was going to hold that support area and lift from there and go higher in price. Now, we really haven't seen the market in REN go too far. I mean, the market hasn't broken out from this overall conglomeration of trading. We're just still simply seeing this market in REN trade within this trading range. So the first thing that we're going to do, if you were to get out right now to the market in REN, yeah, we'll be down, what, 26.89%. If you couldn't catch that market support area, we would be down 26, almost 27%. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and take that away. If you couldn't catch that, move on to the next play. Be non-emotional. Utilize our benefit as to how we're able to interpret what the price bars and the volume means, so that we can get in position and win on the next movement. All right, so first thing is first, we're going to get rid of this ascending line here in the market in REN, and I'm going to show you why. We're going to utilize this in a different position, because what we're seeing into the market in REN is actually more or less consolidational trading. Okay, this market has seen the ability to kind of trade up here at the restriction area, and this is the support area. The support area was already confirmed, so we already know that at least this market in REN is going to continue to trade above 70 cents for the next couple of trading days. We at least know that. So what we're going to do, we're going to extend this out just a little bit further, and we're going to utilize this trading channel into the market in REN as we see the market trade throughout the month of May going into June. Okay, so already when the market is trading within a trader range, you're not expecting a lot of volatility. You're not expecting the market to be in an upward trend or even in a downward trend. The market is prepping itself for the next trend, which is higher or even might even be lower. So we need to keep a watchful eye in the market for REN in terms of what the market is trying to do while it is bouncing in between these two lines. All right, so looking at this on the 2-day time frame, the market here in REN actually looks pretty good. I mean, we did see the weakness on the last completed 2-day price bar, but in the next day and 14 hours, if we're still able to see the market in REN close towards the high of this current 2-day price bar, then all is well. We would be looking for the market to continue to see higher price movement within this trading channel. Now, I'm not telling you it's going to break out, but just trade higher within this trading channel. Okay, so let's take a look at the market on a 3-day time frame. So this is the 3-day. The market is giving us a probable potential of strength. The volume is not coming in heavy, so it pretty much tells me that this market is pretty much stagnated. It's calm. It is not being erratic in the sense that it wants to drop in price, that the market still wants to trade within this trading channel. So it looks pretty good there too. Now, this is the 5-day time frame. I definitely like what occurred in the market in REN on this last 5-day price bar, which is right here. The market isn't reacting to it though, right? We should have seen the market make a bigger movement to the upside in price, and it didn't do it on this 5-day time frame. So it kind of lets us know that there is still some selling coming into the market in REN right there around $1. That area is the restriction point that is holding back the price from going higher. It's just that simple. There is just an area of selling right here in and around $1 that is not allowing the price to break up above it. Okay, and you kind of could tell that by the volume. Take a look at the volume here on this current 5-day price bar. We have seen more volume on this current 5-day price bar than what we did on the last one, but the spread on the last one is a lot wider. So definitely that lets us know that the market has gotten hit with a lot of selling. Either the market is going to continue to drop in price, or the market was able to absorb all of the ones who were selling their REN into the market just to take the price higher later on down the line. Okay. So looking at this on a weekly time frame, I'm still pretty much expecting the same thing. The only hurdle that I'm seeing is that $1 price area acting as restriction in the market in REN. Okay. So we want to look at this on hourly time frame to really see if the market is weak. And right now we're not seeing this on the hourly time frame that REN is giving us a lot of weakness. The market in fact has consumed a lot of the selling that was going on around that $1 price. Okay, so yeah, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in the REN. I just want to pinpoint to you where that area of restriction is into the market. It's right there around $1. We cannot miss it. You guys can see that during this particular time frame, the market was acting as support above $1. Now it's acting as restriction. It's just that simple. So we need to see the market really break above $1 in order for us to get that confirmation that the strength is still going to continue and that price is going to increase in REN. And right now that looks like that's going to be the case, especially when you look at this on the 13, the 11-hour time frames. So we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in REN. And we're going to expect the price at least come up to around $1.10. Next area will be $1.20. Okay. So let's go ahead and bring this back over to the daily time frame. And we said that TP would be around $1.10. It might fall a little bit lower than that, but that's still 15% profitability into the market in REN. Okay, I'm going to bring the support area up a little bit closer towards 77 cents, 78 cents into the market in REN. $1.10 is our first area TP. I'm going to bring it up just a little bit higher, around $1.13 as well. So REN position, this is what we're seeing. As always, you're going to be part of our community, part of our collaboration. Drop a comment in the comment section and let me know, what do you all see on this price chart in REN? Where do you think the market trap is going to take this price? Because if you don't see what we see, which is fine, you still need to get in a position as to where you expect the price to go so that you can win in the market. All right. So drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.